Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maktabe Hind. Let's learn with fun. Students, today we are going to learn class 4th subject English. Our today's topic is adjectives created by Nazia Sheikh, teacher of school Anjuman Islam's VM and DMPM Urdu Primary School Semi English Pune 1. So let's begin. Let's see definition of adjectives. Adjectives are also known as describing words. An adjective describes a noun. This means that an adjective describes a person, place, animal, birds or thing. Adjectives इसम की खासियत बताता है जिसे हम उर्दू में सिफत कहते हैं। इसम की यानी किसी शख्स, जगह, जानवर, परिंदा या चीज के बारे में बताने वाले लफ्ज को सिफत कहते हैं जिसे इंग्लिश में हम एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर क्यूट इज एडजेक्टिव, फास्ट इज ऑल्सो एडजेक्टिव। इन द थर्ड पिक्चर, दिस गर्ल इज वेरी टॉल, सो टॉल इज एडजेक्टिव। Some examples of adjective. In the first picture, this boy is looking very smart. So smart is a characteristics of the boy, so it is known as adjective. In the second picture, the color of the parrot is green, so green is adjective. In the third picture, look at this hall. It is very big hall, so big is known as adjective. Look at this ball, it is round in shape, so round is a characteristics of this ball, so round is known as adjective. Look at this picture. In the fifth picture, one hen and two chicks are there, so 1 and 2, these are numbers of the noun, so known as adjective. Let's see some more examples. In the first picture, compared to right side person, left one is heavy. So heavy is an adjective. In the second picture, look at this yellow picture, yellow box. Look at this yellow box. Compared to right side couples, left couples are young. So young is called adjective. Now look at this pink box. Here, out of these three children, middle one is looking ugly. So ugly describes character of this boy. So ugly is called an adjective. Let's see some more examples. Tall tree. Here tree is very tall, so tall is an adjective of a tree. In this picture, look at this boy. He is looking happy. So happy is describing his character. So happy is adjective. Now look at this shirt. It is white in color. So white is describing the color of the shirt. So white is called an adjective. Now here, this food is looking very tasty. So tasty is called an adjective. Let's see some more examples. Example 1. That little boy holds a ball. Here little describe size of the boy. So little is an adjective in this sentence. Now in the second picture, look at this cat. It is black in color. A black cat walks on a branch. Black describes color of a cat. So black is an adjective of this sentence. In the third picture, look at these colorful leaves. I like colorful leaves. Here, colorful word describes the color of the leaves. So colorful is an adjective in this sentence. Now here, Look at this red crab. Do you see the red crab? Here, red is describing the color of the crab. So, red is called an adjective in this sentence. I hope you learned the concept of adjective. So, like the video, share the video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Maktab-e-Hind. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.